Like all sports, show jumping is not just about professionals travelling around the world, but also the thousands who compete however and wherever they can.
A lot of my horses have come from like the Horse and Hound, spotted a picture that I like and I've gone to go and try them all over the country, but all on a low budget. It's difficult. I don't have my own place anymore. I'm renting. My horses will normally come and just jump the qualifier, and if I don't qualify they don't jump any more classes because I haven't got enough money to do it. So I just target qualifiers, try and qualify. If I qualify, fantastic.
So, final combination, Vicky Young, Barici, great chance for her. Lance Whitehouse leads. Lance's time to beat 34.10. Vicky, who is literally just based a few miles from Arena UK. There's a lot of teaching and training here as well. Love to win this one. This would be a nice big win for her. Coming to the last, looks very good indeed. 34.10 to beat. She could get it. She certainly could get it all the way to the last, Vicky. 33.64. The last to go takes it, wins the Arena UK Winter Grand Prix. Congratulations to Vicky Young. I know she'll be absolutely delighted with that one. Vicky Young and Barici really start to get into their 2013 season. Absolutely delighted. Gets the congratulations also for the course builder down there, Di Boy. So that's the overall lineup. It's a win for Vicky Young and Barici. Lance Whitehouse, great round from him, but finishes in second with Rhodos overall. Young Thomas Whitaker takes third with Shearwater Upanda.
Congratulations, Vicky. You was up against some stiff competition. What do you think the particular challenges were?
I think a lot of people had planks down, and I was lucky. They all told me in the lineup that it was hanging on the end. So, yeah, some days you're lucky, some days you're not.